Hi, everybody, it's Peg, and today I am just thankful for all of my friends and family and everybody who's had this outpouring of Christmas love and sharing going on. Um, I am just overwhelmed by the generosity of my friends, and it's Christmas to me is not all about the gifts. It's the loving, sharing, caring environment that comes out of the season. And we all know that everybody doesn't celebrate Christmas, but whether it's Kwanzaa or Hanukkah or Ramadan, whatever it is that you celebrate at this time of year, then be thankful for all of those people who are in your life and that are caring, sharing, loving individuals. And remember to be kind yourself. But I've got this dearth of stuff out here on my desk. I'm gonna quickly go over some of this stuff. Gifts like this are just most appreciated because I will use it. Um, but I also have those homemade things that people have sent to me through the mail. So here's a quick little video tour of some of the things that I've received in the mail this season. And yes, I've been naughty. Somebody knows that. So now it's on to making the December tag. I have these lovely tissues from a friend of mine. Lindy sent me these, and so the next prompt is doilies. So I started looking at some stencils that look like doilies. I'm not sure where I have any doilies right now. I've been in the middle of a reorganization. So I found this paper that to me kind of reminds me of a doily. You know how they have those cutout holes and fancy circular shapes. So I'm going to use this adhesive, double-sided adhesive from Sizzix, and put it on the back of this paper. This is a paper from Art by Marlene, and it's a nice thin paper, so it works well for collage. And going to cut that out and layer it onto my tag, and that will be my doily. You don't have to take these things literally. Sometimes a prompt is just to spark your imagination and see where you go with it. And so this is where my imagination took me. Some other people may have a hard time seeing a doily in this. Um, to me, it looks very much like some of the doilies that I remember as a child. We had some variegated cotton yarn that we used to crochet with to make doilies, and the colorfulness of this reminds me of that. So I'm just going to cut this piece out and layer it down. So there are 4 prompts in Tag It Tuesday. However, you're only required to use 2. I'm going to use all 4 because that's the way I roll. So the prompt number 3 is shimmer. And after I get this piece applied to my tag, I'm going to add some shimmery elements. I have some tags and things in mind that I want to use that have some glitter on them. And I have some shimmery sari silks that I'll use for the ribbons in the hang hole. And I also want to use some of those Wink Stella pens and things just to add a little bit of bling bling to my images. And the 4th prompt says magazine cutout. Well, I have some books. They're from Art by Marlene. They have these die cuts, so they're already cut, and I'm going to say, okay, that's my prompt for magazine cutout. It comes in a magazine type thing, and I'm going to just cut that out of the book, and I'm going to use those images on my tag. So, yeah, some will say I'm cheating, but no, I'm using the prompt in the way I feel it's directing me. And that's what you need to do when you're making art. You don't necessarily have to go by any rule book. You make the rules. It's your art. You can do it your way. So I'm just going to glue this down. And this makes quick, easy work out of this. It becomes a sticker that sticks right onto my tag. And then I'm going to get those images. Oh, I guess I do shimmer first. I've got some shimmer product, which is metallic gilding polish. This comes from creativeexpressions.uk.com. Creative Expressions. And this is some really shimmery stuff. I like the packaging because it has a sponge in the lid for your applicator. And I'm just going to grab a stencil. I'm looking for the right one. Not sure what I want to use, so I'm flipping through. And I'm going to find the one that works. So I decide I like this Tim Holtz, I think it's called Schoolhouse stencil. It's a bunch of lettering, and I like that blue lettering against the background. So I'm just going to use that. And then I'm also going to edge my card with that same shimmery blue. Yeah, I know Sherry likes blue, so she won't be against me using shimmery blue. So that's where I'm going with this. So here are those books from Art by Marlene. I'm going to reach through there and grab some imagery, and I'm going to apply those to my tag and arrange them in a pleasing to me fashion. And this tag is all about friendship and love and, you know, all the things that I'm feeling at this time of year. So, of course, it's got to have hearts. It's got to have a little angel. Got to have things pertaining to what I'm feeling. So, thank you again, my friends, for supporting me this year. And I hope you come and join us in these projects and things that we have going on for next year. And happy holidays. And I'll see you again soon. Love and peace. Bye for now.